Hello children, today we will be doing exercise 7.2 of coordinate geometry for class 10th. So the question first of this exercise is find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. So it is given a line segment, okay, -1 and 7, and this is your 4, -3. Take it to be A and B. Now it is divided in the ratio 2:3. Let the point AB -1, 7 and B is 4, -3. And divided in the ratio 2:3. Okay. Now we want to find out the coordinate of this point P. So let the coordinate of point P be xy. Okay, we have assumed it as xy. Now, by using section formula, so you know what is section formula? That is x is your m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n, and y is your my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay. Now put the values. X is 2 into 4 plus 3 into -1 upon 2 plus 3. So it will be 8 minus 3 upon 5. So it is 5 upon 5, or you can say 1. Now for y, it is 2 into -3 plus 3 into 7 divided by 2 plus 3. So it is -6 plus 21 upon 5. So it will be your 15 upon 5 equals 3. So you can say coordinates of point P is x is your 1 and y is your 3. So coordinates of point P is 1, 3. So in this way you can do it. Now question number second is find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Now what they are saying, you are given a line segment that is 4, -1 and -2, -3, and it is trisection is done. That means trisected means it is divided into 3 equal parts. That is, if this is 1, it will be 1 and this also will be 1. Okay. So we want to find out the coordinates of the points. Means this point and this point. take this to be A, B, let it be C and D. Okay. Now for this, when we are finding this coordinate, that is coordinates of point C, so the ratio will be 1 is to 1 plus 1 is 2. So it will be 1 is to 2. So coordinates of point C, it will be using section formula. What is your section formula? That is, if this is x and y, x is your mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Okay, so put the values. 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 4 divided by 1 plus 2. So it will be minus 2 plus 8 upon 3. So it is 6 upon 3, or you can say 2. Okay. Now after this, for y will be my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So it is m is your 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1 upon 1 plus 2. So it will be minus 3 minus 2 upon 3. So it is minus 5 upon 3. So the coordinates of point C is coordinates of point C is 2 and minus 5 upon 3. Now we want to find out this point, coordinates of point D. Okay, so we can do over here. First make the line. That was your A, B, C and D. A was given your 4 minus 1 and B is your minus 2 minus 3. Yes, and it was trisected. Now this time we want to find out the coordinates of D. So it will be 2 is to 1. Coordinates of point D. Okay. Now let it be PQ. D, B, P, Q. Then P is, use the section formula. Okay, what it was? Your section formula? That is, x is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y is your my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay, now use over here. So it will be 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 4 upon, it will be, ratio is your 2 is to 1. So it will be 2 plus 1. So it is minus 4 plus 4 upon 3. So it is 0. Then Q. Q will be my2, means ratio is your 2 is to 1. So it will be 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So it will be minus 6 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is minus 7 upon 3. So it will be coordinates of point T is 0. This one is 0 and this is minus 7 by 3. So in this way you can do it. Thank you. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy learning with Bhavna.